So I decided to play around with my bird a bit because I'm bored. Hey Kyle, come. Oh, okay. Oh, there he goes. Kyle. Kyle. Oh, Kyle. Come, buddy. Come. Oh, okay. Sure. You can do that too. Come. Dude, you cannot fly for shit. Come here, buddy. Whoa, okay, relax. What, are you scared? Are you shy of the camera? Come. Come. There you go. Okay, he doesn't like cameras. Whoa, careful, buddy. Come. Just come. Grab my arm. There you go. Oh, he grabbed my arm. Okay. Jesus. Yeah, he definitely doesn't like cams. Right, buddy? Come. It's okay. It's okay. Here, let's go to the bathroom. Our sacred place. Come. Okay, come. Okay. Chirp, come on. You normally do it. I guess he doesn't want to do it today. You're so cute. I don't know why I named him Kyle. I just did. He's such a little cutie. Say hi, Kyle. It's amazing how well he balances on my finger. Look at that, look at that. 1 foot. Oh. Who's the boss? What are you doing? What's that? What was that? Ew, he just regurgitated a seed. No. Feathers. Hey. Oh, okay. Here. Back to the hand. No, don't run away. I should probably get doing that online quiz, huh, Kyle? Ew, is that poo? Oh, don't eat it. Kyle! Eating your poopy. Oh, thanks for dropping it on my finger. See, it's poopy. Okay, get off. Go, off. Go. 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 Okay. Hello.
And that was Kyle.
He's a cute bird.